In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can DM on Instagram in 2021. Okay, so there's various ways that you can go ahead and DM someone on Instagram. So the first way would be to go to a profile that you want to DM. Let's just say it's this account right here. What I need to do is tap on the username above their post. That will take me to their profile, and then underneath their bio, you can see it says message. So you go ahead and tap on message, and then you can go ahead and send them a message from here. Tap on the send button and the message will be sent. And the second way you can go ahead and message someone is if you're on your homepage, you can see that little paperclip icon at the top right. If you don't have your Instagram connected to your Messenger, it's going to show that little airplane icon. If you have it connected to Messenger, it's going to show a little Messenger icon, but at the top right you want to click on that icon, and that'll show you all your active messages you currently have going on Instagram. And at the top right of that, you can see a little pencil with a paper icon. If you go ahead and tap on that, you can go ahead and choose an account you want to message. Let me say it's this account. I would tap on the chat button there at the top right, and then I can go ahead and send this person a message as well by first typing out a message and then sending them the message. So those are different ways of how you can go ahead and DM someone on Instagram. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.